we got their attention. Hold steady, Mr. Sula. Brace yourselves, everybody. Spock, stand by to drop out of formation. Scotty, you all queued up back there?
Aye, sir.
Ready to broadcast at 57.7 megahertz.
Made your choice, lassie?
I have the beat and shouting.
Let's make some noise.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me.
That's a good choice.
I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why.
Master Doctor, we risk being consumed by their transitorial decay.
Damn backseat driver.
Evade, Doctor!
God damn, I see it!
I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat so? I can't let you go.
Yes, Doctor, it would seem to be.
Lieutenant O'Hara, make sure York has the frequency to broadcast.
Sir, we now have the disruption frequency.
Broadcast.